it is officially moving day and we're mega excited. But while we wait... Oh.
Hi, welcome to my crib.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Apart from being ridiculously stressed.
Shut, James.
Oh. Right, mate. How are we? You excited? Yeah? So we're quite stressed. We're waiting for everything to go through. We're moving house today. And I thought, what a great time to do a tour of this house. Because everyone said, oh, we've not seen your house. And we're moving now, so we can show people.
It's empty.
Yeah, do you want a guide? Or do you want a guide?
If you want, where do you want
We used to have a lovely table here, didn't we? Go on, show us.
Where do you want to start?
You lead the way.
Okay. So we're in the entrance hall.
Can I just say that this this video is meant to be a bit of fun and a bit of a joke. I've just got out of the shower as well, so I've got water in my ear, but don't take this too seriously.
At least he's had a wash.
Oh.
Got the downstairs toilet.
Toilet, done. You painted that, didn't you? It was like your favourite room.
Yeah.
You kept the paint for the new house.
Then we've got the living room, which is
Lovely
all
shirt,
packaged away.
Yeah, this is... so this used to be quite a comfortable place, didn't it? But now it's not quite looking like that, so...
And then out into the garden.
It's gone. It is... Amen Garden is gone.
I mean, we're quite lucky to have such a big garden.
But it's... So if you've not seen the Amen Garden video, which Lad Bible picked up in lockdown 1, we're now in lockdown 3 here in the UK, we teed off over here near the bins, which are, I really am sorry for the people that are moving in, they're full, and we had a long fairway up here into a little corner style green, didn't we, mate? Yes, we did. Right, so that's basically, oh, please wipe your paws, that's gone now as well. And I'm not gonna lie, this video is more probably, I'm going to take my shoes off and be respectful for the new owners. We've not shown people the wine corks.
Oh yeah. So this vase is actually from my mum and dad's first ever house. And they've been married 43 years.
So we thought we'd fill it with our...
Yeah, I mean, we filled it with like the wine we drank when we first moved in.
the first week.
No, in all fairness, I saved all the corks from all the weddings I worked for years.
Yeah.
Didn't take too long.
What was I saying? Yeah, this video is probably more for us, you know, to look back on. For me, that's the great thing with YouTube.
Because I'm so upset.
Yeah, but it's the great thing with YouTube that you can kind of look back on stuff, can't you? And sometimes you don't always do this. So this is almost like a real old school home video, isn't it? You know, like when you're packing up, we are going to film moving house or bits of it as well. So
this used to be the kitchen.
Laura's wrote a lovely message on the wall for the new people. Yeah, this used to be the kitchen. Now it's just a massive storage room for everything. This is where we filmed a few videos, isn't it?
Yeah, the table used to be there.
Table was there, yeah. So lovely kitchen actually. This, like, we'll plug it a bit. Strata did a really good job on this, didn't they?
Yeah, they did. Well, it was nice to pick everything out onto it. Pick the floor tiles, door handles.
Yeah, spend a fortune on stuff to leave.
And then we'll go upstairs.
I've done way too many trips up these stairs in the last few days. We need to do meter reading as well.
Yeah, that's why I left it.
Don't forget that.
So this is one of the bedrooms.
Laura's paintwork on the wall, check that out.
Yeah.
Just a bedroom, innit, really?
Yeah, spare bedroom.
Clothes are packed and ready to go.
This is where we stored all James's golf.
Yeah, this is where the Adidas collection is for the next hour or so. How long do you think until we get the call?
What time is it now?
It is now 10 past... It's cowboy time. No, 10 past 10, sorry.
3 hours.
Oh, so we're just going to wait. Right, well, let's hoover up again because we've only done it 15 million times. This is the master, or was the master.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. Like, I feel like we could probably have done this before we start packing everything up, but then...
Well, I can show you the pictures that they had taken.
yeah, they were a mess as well because I was supposed to tidy the house up that day, but didn't.
I was like, there's creases in the bed.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
But we sold it for a decent price, so
And
we're quite
ensuite.
happy. Yeah, well, I mean, they don't really need to see the...
Hopefully you've cleaned the shower after you've been in it.
Well, the shower uses water, which is a cleaning agent, so it's clean.
Bathroom?
This is your like one of the favourite rooms, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
tiled. Yeah, well.
Floor to ceiling.
Floor to ceiling. It's your least favourite room, mate, isn't it? 'Cause that's where you've got a bath. Get in the bath. He really hates it in there. This is where I start to get a bit depressed. This is obviously, we all know, well, we might all know what was in there, but.
Then you got another bedroom.
How cool is that, by the way? You ready for this? Wrong one, that one. Can't believe we're not taking that. It's too late to take it down now, can't be bothered. But another bit of Laura's famous paintwork. You gonna do this in the new house?
Yeah, when I can be bothered.
Yeah.
There's a lot of work to do in the new house, isn't there?
There is a lot of work to do. I don't know if we'll do like a before and after. Should we? I don't know. But
yeah, I think so.
yeah, there's a lot of work to do. Like even we're even getting a what's he called?
Contractor.
We're getting a contractor in next week, aren't we? I keep wanting to say surveyor, but we're not selling it yet.
Oh.
And then this is the room that launched a couple of YouTube channels.
Your chair's still in here.
Oh yeah, don't forget that. My favourite room in the house. Let's have some lighting. I've always to get that. You know, 2 years and I still get that wrong. So yeah, this is quite a poignant place, really. Have me touch, quick. Oh. And really, I guess that's it. It's not a big house, is it?
A very messy garage.
Very messy garage. Very different video today. We just thought, to be honest, we're bored, aren't we? We're waiting for the phone to ring. We're waiting to go and get pick the keys up. We're going to start the video of the move very, very soon. So thank you for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed it. I'm sure there'll be people out there saying, he's just shown us a video of an empty house. But it's memories for us. It's a video that we'll probably watch back in a couple of years' time and have a laugh at. Yeah, so if you haven't enjoyed it, apologies. If you have enjoyed it...
This is Jameson's first home.
Well, it's our first home as well, isn't it?
It's
our first home. Yeah, so we got Jameson. Do you want to tell them the story of first of all, how we moved in and...
Yeah, James was on a golf trip.
It was a work trip.
You were with all the lads.
It was St Andrews. I was filming at the Dunhill Links.
Whatever. Anyway, we went for a week.
If people are interested, it was the week of when I did the tour truck video at Titleist. That's how long ago it was. But
With Piers Morgan.
well, I met him, but didn't video with him.
No.
Wouldn't want to.
Anyway, so I moved in by myself with my mum and dad. They helped. And then you came back the Saturday. And I just said, give us 2 weeks. We knew we'd paid the deposit, didn't we?
Yeah.
On him. And we could pick him up. But I'm like, just give me a week or so to get sorted. And then you came home and you were like, oh, so I've told that we'll pick him up on Tuesday. So we'd literally been here about 5 days. We had to go and get all the puppy stuff, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. And he's been a great addition to the home ever since, haven't you, mate? Are we going to get your brother? Oh? Got some ham? Or do you want to go walkies? Come on then. He's not having it, is he? I think we'll leave it there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave us a like. What have you got to say?
Like, subscribe,
I've said that.
comment below.
What we got a comment below?